Ever found the perfect song for a remix or a karaoke night, but the vocals were standing in your way? Or maybe you've recorded the perfect podcast only to find it's ruined by background hiss. Today, we're looking at an AI tool that solves both in seconds without you ever having to download a single piece of software. Let's check it out. So here we are, guys, on vocalremover.easeus. So this is advanced AI audio separation. This is the core power, and we have precision stem extraction. That is what I'm going to show you right now. So here we are on vocalremover.easeus.com, and we are going to demonstrate the AI separation vocal remover. Now, this is advanced AI audio separation. This is the core power of the site. We have precision stem extraction, which uses the advanced AI engine to instantly split any audio file into clean, a cappella and high quality instrumentals. Now, I must emphasize that this is studio grade separation, meaning you won't hear the underwater artifacts common in lower quality tools. We also have creative versatility, so whether you're a DJ creating a mashup or a cover artist needing a backing track, the isolation is near perfect. And I've got to mention how this helps creators avoid copyright flags by isolating only the elements they need for transformative use. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration separating vocals from a song. So what we do, we go to choose a file and we upload a song. So we've got this song here, Lay Down Beside Me by Carl Storm, and it'll take a few moments to process, and once it's finished processing, what it'll do is it'll come up into the mixing deck, and in the mixing deck, that is where you're going to remove the vocals or you're going to remove the instrumentals. Now, this shouldn't take too long. So we have the full track here. Now, I'll give you a quick demonstration of the track in its entirety.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing
So you can hear the vocals,
don't know
and you can hear the instrumentals, the guitar clearly together. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring down the instrumental so it's just the vocals.
When nothing really matters, that's all I want to do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see
nice and clear vocals.
If I can lay down beside you,
now I'm going to bring up the instrumentals and bring down the vocals. There we go, we've just got the instrumentals playing, the vocals have been faded out. Now you can download this track if you like as a whole track, or you can download it as the edited version as just the instrumentals or as just the vocals. And there we go, it's very clean. Next we're going to be moving on to the AI mastering one-click professional polish. So we're back again on the main screen, and we will go to the mastering section here. So with this mastering, AI mastering, what you have release ready quality. So this AI mastering tool, it analyzes your track and it automatically applies EQ, compression and limiting to give it a radio ready sound. Now it's the ultimate time saver for like indie artists and creators who want professional sound without hiring an engineer, and you've got all this consistency and clarity, so it balances the dynamic range of your audio, ensuring that your voice or your music, it sounds consistent across all speaker types. Now, I'm going to have to emphasize that it's the final touch. You use this for the final touch on any of your audio projects. So again, I'm going to upload a demo here. Okay, so we'll upload that. Let's shut this down. And that was really quick. So we will play the original. Quite low. It needs to be brought out a little bit more. So it's just essentially somebody whistling. Right, so what we're going to do, we'll go to auto mode and we'll go radio ready and we'll play it again and we'll see. There you go. It's a lot fuller. We have that full sound and a clearer sound, so it really emphasizes the whistling. And then you can change it to like a hip hop punch and see if that pops it a bit more. And it pops it a bit. That whistle is a lot clearer, a lot more high pitched. Nice. Really, really good. Lovely. And again, you can move down and you can download everything from down here. Really nice. Next, we are going to move on to the AI noise removal toolbox. So with this AI noise reducer removal toolbox, what you've got, it effortlessly strips away distracting background noise like traffic, keyboard clicks, or even like your PC fan when it hisses from your recordings. Now, this is a must-have for anyone recording in a home, office, or in an outdoor environment without any soundproof booth. It also has this echo and reverb elimination, so the AI doesn't just lower the volume noise, it actually de-reverbs your audio, making echoey room sound like it's made in a proper booth, you know, proper soundproof recorded cut. It also has this echo and reverb elimination, so the AI doesn't just lower the volume of the noise, it actually de-reverbs your audio, making echoey room recordings sound like they were done in a real professional studio. Now, this is like a save my audio tool for videos that would otherwise be unusable. And you do the same thing. You upload a file or you drop a file in here. And again, I'll just drop a file in. Quite simple. This one can take a little bit longer, a little bit more advanced. And there, once it's done, right, I'll play the track for you. Now, I've got to stress, right? Right, so here's the track. Now with this, you've got crystal clear voiceover. So by isolating human voice from environmental interference, your dialogue, it becomes significantly more engaging for your audience. And I've got to stress that clear audio is the #1 factor in viewer retention for YouTube. So I am going to play this track for you now. As you can tell, there's a lot going on in this track. A lot of outside noise, a lot of chatter. Sounds like a downtown Bangkok sort of city. Right. As you can tell, we can hear all that. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start again, but I'm going to fade out the noise and bring up the voice. There's the noise. And we have that voice just brought it into the foreground. And now I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to bring the noise back in. I'm going to fade out the voice. So now we have all of that background noise. Now that'd be great, wouldn't it? If you've got a recording and you've got all that noise in the background and all you just want that clear audio of someone talking, and you can just fade it right back out. Fade all that noise right back out and you can hear everything nice and clearly. Top quality. Really good. Again, you can download from here, export the noise, export the voice, or the whole mix. So there we have it. Now, the accessibility and creative flexibility with this site is amazing. This is a web-based workflow, so there's no software to install and there's no heavy CPU usage. Everything is handled by Ezo's cloud-based AI. Now, this is perfect for creators working on laptops or on tablets, and you've got this creative bonus. So this bonus is for those looking to explore new creative directions, which is awesome. So there we have it, guys. Elevate your audio production today by visiting the link in my description and pinned comments. Try Easel's Vocal Remover for free and see how easily you can master and clean your projects. Don't forget to use the official link to support their channel. Again, link in the description below. Hit the like button and tap subscribe. Catch you in the next video, guys.